Escape to a serene countryside oasis on 92 acres featuring two-story home built in 2005. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and plenty of space for outdoor adventures. Explore the property's multiple outbuildings, small barn, and fenced meadows perfect for cattle with 2 water wells. Ready for homesteading enthusiasts, the farm is teeming with wildlife, fruit trees, and a garlic garden. Embrace the tranquility and seclusion of this remarkable property and make your homesteading dreams a reality. Please check out video description for more details.